Hello, how are you doing today? We know you are doing fantastic. And if it is not, we are here to make your day good at work. I'm Alex Joseph from Doc365. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up issue tracking in SharePoint Online. Let me first tell you what is issue tracking and how it can help your business. If you are like us, your business will probably has a lot of moving parts. Among customers, clients, and other internal demands, there are plenty of areas where something can go wrong anytime. That's why it is important to have a setup that allows you to list down and track issues where everyone can access and follow these processes. Setting up SharePoint Issue Tracking App in your SharePoint environment is what we recommend to make that a reality. It is something you can set up easily without any much effort. You can define, categorize, and have a systematic approach towards solving issues. You can use this option to handle all kinds of issues such as customer service problems, help desk issues, website updates, and more. Pretty much any issue your employees might face during work can be added and rectified. To set up SharePoint Issue Tracking app in your SharePoint environment, you need to first visit the site which you wish to add this app. So we are at our marketing updates SharePoint site right now. And to add the SharePoint issue tracking app, you need to click on the setting icon at the top and choose add an app option. From the your apps page, scroll down and choose issue tracking. You need to give a name to this new list you are creating. We are giving it the name technical errors. Click on create. And you will be taken to the list and library section, and you can find the new list here. So you can configure the settings by clicking on the ellipsis and choose settings. In the settings page, you can find all kinds of settings, including the versioning settings, validation, rating settings, form settings, and also for permissions for this list. You can also delete the list from here. So what we are going to do is we are going to edit some of the columns of the list. So to give you a default idea, here is how the list looks when you are creating it by default. The columns, the standard columns will be issue ID, title assigned to issue status, priority, due date. So if you want to edit some of these columns or if you want to add new columns, you will probably need to visit the settings page. For that, you might need to go to the site contents page and click on the list. Our list name is technical errors. So we are clicking on the ellipsis and choose settings. We'll first edit the category section, category column. So we click on the category option here from the columns, and I just want to make this a required option. You can give any description if required. So I'm just defining the categories here. The first category is, we'll just give department names here first for now: marketing, sales, and also HR. There are also other options. You can change any of this if required. Click OK after making required changes. We will also recommend making changes to the priority and comments column or the modified column as you wish. You can also choose create column if you want to add a new column. So we are creating a new column called service person. This column will be used to uh, mention which person is responsible for that particular technical configuration. So we would like to make it a required option, and you can mention any description over here if required. Just click OK after making the changes. And we would also like to edit some of the other options. Assign to issue status, priority, description, due date. Yeah, the options are fine. So let's go back to the list. So you can find the additional option we have added here. So as of now, we have completed our settings and configurations for the list. So let's now add a new issue here. So click on the plus new option. This window allows you to add all the information regarding the issue you want to list. Let's add an issue called laptop issue. Assume that my laptop is not working. Laptop issue 18. I'm assigning this issue to be rectified by Betty. Issue status is default to priority is normal. I would like to set it as high. You can define the issue here. So I am defining it as the laptop is getting heated and turning off. You can mention any related issues here if possible. You can add comments. You can set up a new date. I'm setting a date on 18th December. That is next day. So service person, I'm choosing office as he's the person who is configuring all the laptops in our organization. So this is actually a secondary information. So if Betty's want any technical configuration or support, she can contact office. You can also attach any information like screenshots or any notepad information, anything that will be helpful for the service person. You can click save after entering all the information, so it will be listed here. So Betty will be receiving an email notification as I have assigned this particular issue. So she can just click on the issue here and get all the information regarding the issue and take necessary actions to rectify it. And after um, getting it solved, she can change the status of the issue by clicking on exit grid view here. Sorry, edit in grid view, and by clicking here, you can set it as resolved and exit the view. So the issue will be marked as resolved. You can actually enter any number of issues here and assign it to people, track it, and keep a record of it in one place. If you have an Office 365 subscription, this is one easy way to handle issues systematically without spending any extra money. Hope you find this video tutorial useful. You can visit the tutorial playlist in our YouTube channel to find more useful content. That's all for now. See you in our next tutorial video. Have a great day.